Epoxy flooring is one of the most durable, stylish, and modern flooring option available in today's homes. Homes, offices, garages, and commercial spaces. An epoxy floor offers the strength, shine, and long-lasting performance. In this video, I will explore the different types of epoxy flooring along with their price ranges in India. Epoxy flooring is made after insulation and coating over to the concrete floors. Its one is called it forms a strong and seamless. The first one is a self-leveling. The self-leveling epoxy flooring is built with its ideal for living rooms and bedrooms. The price in India 80 rupees to 120 rupees per square feet. And second is metallic epoxy flooring with materials and 3D effect using metallic pigments, beds for premium tiles, photos and patches. Solution. Its features on the premium design, unique patterns and luxury finish to 150 rupees to 220 rupees per square feet. 3D epoxy flooring. Its 3D epoxy flooring is designer option, creates stunning visual depth and popular in luxury homes and commercial spaces. The features is an eye-catching visual, artistic design and custom the price in India is 200 rupees to 350 rupees. Anti-skid epoxy flooring. Anti-skid epoxy it's a sleep-resistant, safety-focused, and industrial epoxy flooring is the fifth one. This is flooring is built for heavy loads, chemicals, and machineries. It's widely used in factories and warehouses. It's high duty strength and chemical resistant and long. The price in India is 70 rupees to 140 rupees. Epoxy flooring is suitable for homes, garages, kitchens, bathrooms, and advantages of epoxy flooring. Epoxy flooring is waterproof and dust-free, easy-cleaning, and extremely durable, making it smart and long-term investment. Some features are it will be looking stylish, and things to remember before installation. Proper surface preparation and precision installation key long for lasting epoxy flooring. Most improve the concrete base and professional application will be and proper flooring trunk. And which epoxy flooring design do you like the most in the comment below? Like, share and subscribe for more home decor ideas and flooring ideas. And thank you for watching this video.